So Derek wants to have a coffee drink.
I do.
So we made a coffee drink.
Is it Russian?
And we made it up.
Oh. Well,
So you should probably watch.
obviously, because it's going to be fucking fire.
You still
use that word.
It. Fire.
Fire.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Derek, Dan, and Ian are going to make for you a drink we've decided to call the Colombian KGB. Maybe it's a KGB. We had a hard time finding it, but a KGB is supposed to be Kahlua, Bailey's, and Galliano with coffee. We have opted to not use Bailey's because, frankly, no, we're not.
All right.
We're using an Irish cream.
I have Shannon's
We're using
Irish cream.
Shannon.
I swear we bought this in Mexico.
We met her in Mexico, and
Where else would we
So
buy
now
it?
you guys are traffickers.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
and she came back with us.
Yeah.
We stuck her in her suitcase.
So
Yeah.
we're using a different Irish cream. Use your favorite Irish cream. So the recipe is going to be 1 ounce of Kahlua, 1 ounce of Irish cream, 1 ounce of Galliano, 8 ounces of coffee. Warning: we have a little small print. We haven't tasted this or tried it before, but
It's gonna
because
be
we've been doing this
fantastic.
for a long time, I'm not really fucking worried.
We feel like we can make shit up.
Yeah. There's certain things that
We
you
should have
can't
put
make
some
up.
whipped cream on it.
Nah.
Dude, I don't
Alright.
want to start the mixer up. You need to tell me that shit before we hit
That's
the
what I
record
was.
button.
That's what I
Alright.
was saying there. Not because it wouldn't be good, but just
right.
Because that would be ideal.
Because you know that would be
Delicious.
fucking ideal.
I think I like where your head's at.
Yes.
So I'm using Kahlua Special. It's a little higher proof, I think, but it tastes better, and I need to really get rid of it. It's been years. We're gonna drink it. It's not easy. It's coffee. I had a lot of coffee left over from another drink we did. What would we make? Irish coffee?
Irish coffee.
It's up there.
So we're just filling the old barrel with a couple more.
Fill in the barrel.
It's like a Russian coffee.
It's like, it tastes just like I was in Russia.
It's a Spanish-Russian coffee.
Yeah.
What's the
Prussian
Spanish
coffee.
part?
Colombia?
It's a
Oh, yeah.
it's a world coffee.
It's a Spanish, Italian, Irish, Russian coffee.
There you go.
Oh.
I feel like
Trying to be very
Is it good? Does it work?
make
It
a
does.
duck fart. Duck farts are fun.
We've done the dark foot. Yeah.
If you go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com,
I like that.
you'll see the
I think
top
that's decent.
search recipe is a duck fart.
I'm good with that.
It's
I'm
good.
good with that.
Yeah, it's got a little black licorice back end.
Yeah,
Because
definitely.
it has Galliano in it.
Good
But
call.
it
Chad.
almost like lightens it up a little bit.
Of yours?
We have oh shit.
Almost
So-
like I know what alcohol is.
It's crazy. It's like you've
I
made
have
drinks
a
before.
Galliano.
It's like you've had award-winning drinks made before.
Never.
I have fuck. I don't know where it is, but I have a Galliano espresso.
I'll say it's like you've been featured in cocktail books.
Yeah, there you go. Never.
That's happened. 75th anniversary Moscow.
It's not bad.
Maybe I'll have to explain to him later what we were talking about.
Maybe. Tia Maria is better than Kahlua. I like Tia Maria.
Tia Maria. It's a little sweeter. No, that's not true. Kahlua is as sweet as it fucking gets. This is not as sweet as.
Oh, what's the other one that's good? The other coffee liquor.
Irish one.
We got like at least 20 of them.
Yeah, it's
Irish
got the black
Swan.
bottle.
Irish Swan is good.
Which
Patron?
one?
What's that?
We have a
No, the
spiced
coffee?
Patron.
Oh, the
No, you have the
No,
coffee. No, you're talking about Irish cream, right?
Some.
No.
Coffee liquor.
It's fuck. Does it have like taste like little like pancake syrup?
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know, but I can picture the bottle.
Capali.
Thank you.
That's it. Kabali. Yeah. I like it.
It's good.
Yeah, I like it. It's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need any sugar.
No.
And you're gonna get fucked up.
Well, you got sugar. You have Irish cream and Kahlua.
Yeah.
Don't need any
It's,
additional
it's
sugar.
plenty sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
You get
plenty
your
sweet,
cream.
and then it gets a little bit, and you get the
You do get
black
a little
licorice
Irish
on
cream.
the end.
That one, I don't know shit about this, but based on how many stickers in the back, I bought that in another country. But
Joel Antonio.
I mean, I don't. I mean, Bailey's is pretty good. So
that tastes like that has that same Bailey's like Irish cream. Maybe all Irish cream tastes the same. I don't know. In a drink like this, obviously straight is gonna be different. Don't get all of my shit.
The Galliano bottle is dumb.
The Galliano bottle is.
Allen's Coffee Brandy. Very Maine. Very Maine.
it's
They
been
gotta
in this bottle
fucking
for a
fix
long
this.
time.
Yeah,
It's a big fucking
I've
bottle.
had
I
that
know,
bottle
it's
since I started the
obnoxious.
show.
I know.
2008. It's just like it's obnoxious. Like I get what they're trying to do. They're trying to stand out, but I can't fit it anywhere, so it has to go on the top of my bar. I can't go under
That's
here.
their plan.
I
And
know.
then they fucking
yeah.
get their name seen.
Same thing with most bars. It has to go on the top.
Yeah, it makes me angry.
Yeah, and then
Because
people
they're
see it
smart.
and they want to use it.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's very
and you
smart.
need it for a Harvey wallbanger, like because that's the only other drink I know of that you would use Galliano in popular.
No, you made a drink with this
Golden Cadillac.
that
Golden
you brought
Cadillac.
over the house.
Golden Cadillac is good.
You probably made it here. It's called the Golden Cadillac.
Thanks for tuning in.
Like I said, I've been to the Golden Cadillac.
It's not.
We already had
I can't say.
we already had this discussion.
I'm gonna guess that
Clubs.
golden.
And to the Blue Cabaret.
Yeah.
So the Golden Cadillac on recipe.awesomedrinks.com is Galliano, 1 ounce of Galliano, 1 ounce of creme de cacao, and 2 ounces of heavy cream.
Yeah.
Not healthy,
But delicious.
It is good.
obviously.
Tasty.
When your highest proportion of product is
I
heavy
thought I was
cream,
gonna say when you're high.
Everything's good.
Yeah. That's
just get a couple doobies.
That's what I've heard.
So I've heard.
All right, there's no executive producer because this video was made like literally spur of the moment because I wanted to drink the coffee.
I think
So
that makes Jen the executive producer.
Yep.
Jennifer,
Yes.
this one.
No.
Executive
There's another Jennifer that's
Yeah.
down here.
Yeah, just some random. Yeah, let's pick another Jen.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that, Jen?
Yeah.
So go make yourself a new
No love.
Colombian KGB specialty. When somebody says, "Dude, that's awesome! Where'd you get that?" Ian invented it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And when they go, "Where's Ian
Maybe.
from?" Common Man Cocktails. Google it.
Yeah, where's Common Man Cocktails on YouTube?
Yeah. He's the one that talks all the
Where's
time
YouTube on the internets?
on the internet.
He's the one that's not yelling.
Just figure it out.
Yeah,
Thank
figure
you,
it out.
Bob Dole.
I suggest you let that one marinate.
Sidebar, more videos down below. My Awesome Drinks Bartender Certificate. You can use Fun 2021, I think, because this video is probably still going to go out in January-ish, near the end of February.
It's cold, so
Yeah. Fucking
Doesn't
gold,
matter.
warm
Yeah.
drink, ready to go. Make it happen. Bartender Certificate down below. Get 15% off using that coupon code on that Bartender Certificate. Get yourself making drinks like that tomorrow. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.